Hi, I'm Ken Weingartz, and welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. Today we're going to be covering the Toro 60V snowblower lineup. So we have three different options here that represent some of the 60V lineup. We'll first start with, this will hold one battery, one 60V battery. Very simple operation. It's just, single point to start the auger, and then you just push and it blows the snow. So very simple, good for smaller driveways. This would look more like what you might be familiar with your normal gas snowblower in a single stage version. Offers two battery slots, so you can add a second battery for longer runtime. Similar operation to the previous model, but with the rubber paddles, really cleans it right down to the pavement. So the advantage of single stage always, and when it has rubber paddles, is if you want clean and no snow on the ground, rubber paddles is always the best for that. And then you have the two stage, which again, very much similar to what they offer in the gas models. Battery slots for it will run on one, but you can add 3 batteries to it for longer runtime, for longer driveways. Offers same quick stick technology for directional shoot, self-propelled, hand warmers as well. And a really good representation of the two-stage gas that we've all kind of know and love, but in a battery model. And the benefit of battery is there's no old gas, and there's no worry about a cold start. Battery is you plug and go, and battery is really nice for winter product, and we've seen great results with it. Visit Weingartz.com for more details, and we hope to see you next week.